Welcome to the barbecue store, your charcoal rotisserie experts. We're all about family, so we want to help you create memories that last. Today we're looking at how to counterbalance an animal on the spit. So we're doing a lamb on the spit here today, and one of the first things that we want to make sure is that the quick release pin is detached from the motor. So we unclip the quick release pin and we're just sitting the rod inside the motor so that it can free spin. Okay, now when we've finished skewering our lamb, a lot of the times you may get it right your first go and you don't need to counterbalance weight, and that's great, but a lot of the times you still need to counterbalance weight. So in those instances, you'll know that because whichever way you put the animal, the heaviest part will always fall to the bottom. So you can see it's obviously heavier at the bottom, so we'll try to skewer it as good as we can, but you can always get it slightly out. So it doesn't matter which position I put the lamb in, it's always going to be heavier at the bottom. And that's where I get my counterbalance weight. And with the counterbalance weight, what I want to do is I want to run it at the top of the bar. Okay, so just by gravity, this is going to fall down, naturally. So I want to run my weight at the top of the bar. And so what I do is I put my weight there, I tighten it on, and then I give this another spin. Okay, so it's still a little bit heavier. As you can see, it sort of still wants to turn, but it's a lot better already. So it's still slightly wanting to tip. So I'm going to just turn this out very slightly, give it a bit more. The further I go on this bar, the more counterbalance effort I give it. Actually, that's a pretty good balanced lamb, because you can see whatever position the lamb is in, it stops and it's actually almost lost myself. Be careful of that part. You want to make sure that because it's detached, it could fall out. So you just want to be careful that it doesn't fall out while you're doing that. Now, you'll notice as well that I've put this on, I've skewered my lamb, I've done all of this before I've even lit my fire. So that's the next video we'll do. We'll show you how to light a fire. So click here to watch the next video on how to light your spit.